Hello, today we will guide you through how to anchor in Confluence. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to add an anchor to a Confluence page so you can create a link that jumps directly to a specific section. This is especially useful when you're working with longer pages and want to make navigation easier for readers. To begin, open the Confluence overview page for your workspace. This is your starting point, where you can access the pages available in the space. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand navigation panel. In that sidebar, click on the page labeled Sample Page. This will open the page where you want to place the anchor. After the page opens, click into the editable content area on the page. In this example, you'll select the sample space area where you want the anchor to be inserted. It's a good idea to place the anchor close to the section you want people to jump to, so the link takes them to the most relevant spot on the page. Next, type /anchor. In Confluence, typing a / opens the command menu, which lets you quickly insert different elements into the page. As you type anchor, Confluence will begin showing matching options. When you see the anchor option appear, click on it. This inserts the anchor element into the page. At this stage, the anchor itself may not be very visible to readers, but it serves as a target point for links you create later. Once the anchor has been added, move to the panel on the right side and type a sample name for the anchor. This name is important because it identifies the destination for your link. Choose something simple and descriptive so it's easy to recognize later. For example, using a clear section-related name can help you stay organized if your page contains multiple anchors. After entering the name, your anchor is in place. From here, you can use that anchor name when creating links within Confluence to direct users straight to that section of the page. That's all it takes to anchor in Confluence. As a quick tip, try to keep anchor names consistent and easy to remember, especially if you're building navigation for larger documents. This can make your pages much more user-friendly and easier to maintain over time.